What's up, guys? Mark here from VIP Shop Management. I do want to give you a quick update on the next generation of DVI. This is going to be a complete revolution, or I'll keep the old one, the legacy one, just in case people don't like it. But this is going to be our future DVI. The whole idea is how can we solve two problems at once. One is there's a service writer in the middle. There's the technician who has to do the inspection on his own phone without opening an app, without logging in, and there's the customer on the other side who's gonna view these images and what's failed and what needs to be done. So we're trying to solve all these three problems, and the massive one is, make it a dynamic. The old one was obviously static. This one is dynamic. What I mean by that, I can change any line, I can add a new line, I can remove any line. So if you look right here, if you click on edit lines, that there, we kind of compress them together so you can see what's going on. I can delete this line, or edit this line to something else. And so yeah, it's beautiful. Not just that, the ability to create your own custom DVI. Right here, if you go to menu, we're gonna have like multiples. Don't worry about that, but it's gonna say something different than what we have right here. We're gonna have one for electric vehicles, I believe, one for hybrid vehicles, and I'll include a couple more for motorcycles and boats and truck repairs, probably trailer repairs. We'll figure it out. The whole idea, like I said, I want a complete system. It's complete, like it's brand new system. It solve every single problem. From each line have not just one photo. Actually, each line has 3 photos. Each line has its own note. When I fail this one, I can say, hey, oil is too dark. And so stuff like that. It's really easy on the eye, simple. And in the end, you'll have the summary right here, which is beautiful. And you can send all the stuff with the note, technician note, to the repair order, because that's where your money maker basically. Anyway, it's kicking my ass for sure. I'm doing this. I'm working super hard. My daughter still hasn't seen her father for over 17 months. It's disgusting. In the state of Michigan, right here, we have some disgusting situation. She hasn't had her father, and just lying. They think lying is their way of getting this done. What you get in right now is basically inspired from my daughter's pain, what she has to suffer. In the end, justice will come and my daughter will come home. Thanks for watching.